So in summary, the fastest charging time is offered by the j5create 67-watt charger, which offers super fast charging, followed by the 2 ampere adaptive fast charger by Samsung, and then the 1 ampere charger. Using a fast charging cable also makes a difference in the charging time. In this tutorial, we're going to show you the different chargers and using a fast charging cable or a normal charging cable to charge your mobile phone, which has less than 10% of charge left. You will see the difference in charging times by using the different chargers as well as using a different cable. So on the left, we've got the j5create 67 watts charger, and it is able to deliver up to 5 ampere of current for charging. In the middle, we've got the Samsung charger. This charger supports adaptive fast charging and it delivers a maximum current of 2 amperes. And on the right, we simply got a 1 ampere charger. So let's start with the 67 watts charger from j5create. So as you can see, our phone has about 7% of charge left. So using the j5create 67 watt charger, you can see it is super fast charging, and it takes about 1 hour and 8 minutes until full. So it has dropped to 1 hour and 7 minutes. So it is able to do a super fast charging. Next, we will use the Samsung charger. We'll start by using the cable that does not support fast charging. Let's see how long it takes. It is not even able to power up. But let's turn on our phone. And if you look closely, it takes 6 hours and 4 minutes until a full charge. So that's pretty long, right? For using a cable that does not support fast charging. We will now switch it to another cable, which is the one over here, and this supports fast charging. Let's see how long it takes. So it supports fast charging, and it takes only 1 hour and 21 minutes. So you see a big difference in using a cable that supports fast charging and one that doesn't support fast charging. Basically, if your cable doesn't match the same power delivery speed that your device requires for fastest charging time, you would need to change that cable to a fast charging cable. And finally, we will use the 1 amp charger with the slow cable, as we'll call it. Let's see how long it takes with a 1 amp charger. So it takes 6 hours and 1 minute until full charge using a 1 ampere charger. Let's see what happens if we were to use a better cable that supports fast charging. So the slow charging cable takes about 6 hours. If we were to change it to a fast charging cable, it only takes 3 hours and 1 minute until a full charge. Still pretty long, but considering that we used a cable that supports fast charging, the time has shortened by almost half. So there you have it. By using chargers of different capacity and even the charging cable itself, you're able to get the best charging times or the fastest charging time needed to charge your phone.